Hello guys, welcome to the sewing tutorial of the dress we're making. So I'm going to be starting by joining the front exactly how it was when I was drafting. Hmm? So this is the front, this is one and this two. So on the fabric, this is one and this is two. So I'm going to be joining them with half inch. Now I've gone ahead to interface the center front where my button placket will be. I interfaced it and I folded it. Now this the remaining interfacing here, I'll just have to remove it so that I'll have a neat finished work. Then for the collar, the Mandarin collar, there are two separated. There will be a zipper at the back of the dress and there will be button in front. So I have ironed the collar. I'm just going to run half inch at the top only. So I'll be able to join to the neckline. And then for the back of the dress, of the bodice, where I iron interfacing on the zipper area to give it stability. The only thing I'll be doing for now is to sew my darts. I'll sew my darts. So I have joined all the front patterns. I've sewn the back darts and I've also joined them along the shoulder. I've joined the collar and I'll just take them for ironing. So I want to turn the flared part of the sleeve, the flared part. So I'm using the same Ankara fabric to turn itself. Okay, this is me joining the top part to the skirt. This is for the front. I'll do the same thing for the back. But for the back, I'm going to be fixing my zipper. So what I will do is I already measured 7.5 inches down from this waist part. So my zip is going to stop here. That's where my zip will stop. So okay, let me just open it up. Let me open it up so that I know I'm done with that. It's a straight line. Please be careful when doing this so that it doesn't bend at all. Okay, so I'm going to be stitching on the waistline for the front and the back. And then for the sleeve, this is what I'll be doing to the sleeve. I'll just I'll join the sleeve along the side, that's the underarm, using the same allowance that I left. Okay, so after joining the sleeve, I'll take this one, that's the right sides now. I'll take this one and then sew it in, join them together. This is how far I've gone with the dress. I've gone ahead to join the tie. This is the armhole. This is the front, the placket where the bottom will sit. I'm almost done. I'm almost done with this dress. And this is the sleeve. The sleeve came out so beautiful. So beautiful. I love the sleeve. So the next thing I'll do is to join the sleeve to the dress and then I will work on the M line. Remember I left a 1.5 inch same allowance, so I'm just going to turn it with 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. Okay. This is the final result of the dress we've been making, the Maxi A-line dress with Mandarin collar. It's going to have buttons at the front. I've not fixed them yet. And this is the sleeve. It's a flared sleeve that I cut with
180-degree circle. These are the sleeves. They came out so beautiful. I'm so happy about the outcome of this dress. It's looking so good. This is the back of the dress. I finished off the back with stone zip to give it that unique look. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Bye.